Tonight for dinner, I prepared meatloaf with a mix of ground meats, mild Italian sausage, and ground beef. The beef is 20% fat. I start by chopping about 1 cup each of button mushrooms and white onion. I used my manual chopper, I like to call the slap chop. I then added a tablespoon of minced garlic. I then add the meats, including making sure they are broken into small pieces. I added a half cup of breadcrumbs, 1 egg, and salt and pepper. This minced garlic was dry. I added some water to moisten it. I broke up the ground beef from its package ahead of time, and will break up the sausage that came directly from the package this way. Make sure you always wash your hands after touching meat to avoid cross-contamination on other items. Time to add the breadcrumbs. The breadcrumbs are Italian seasoned. Now time for the egg. I mix the ingredients by hand and then shape them into a square, in this case, because of my square baking dish that was sprayed with vegetable spray. I cover the baking dish with aluminum foil and then pop it into a preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for an hour. After about 45 minutes, I remove the meatloaf from the oven and get my baster. I take some of the juices and rendered fat and put it into an oven-proof dish. Then I pop the meatloaf back into the oven to finish cooking. You can use a paper towel to skim over the top of the juices if you find that they are too fatty. This will leave only a small amount of fat for flavor. The meatloaf is almost done with an internal temperature of 165 degrees. In the meantime, I add powdered gravy mixed to the juices and make my gravy. After some stirring and time, the gravy is thickened and ready. Out of the oven, and now it is ready to slice a piece of meatloaf for plating. I just pour on some gravy and, yum. I just love those large pieces of onion and mushrooms. Well, I hope you like this recipe and try it for yourself. Meatloaf is great comfort food for when the weather is cold outside. And my husband just loves to make meatloaf sandwiches anytime there is any leftover meatloaf. Thanks for watching, and please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.